Backdraft was Ron Howard's harrowing tale of the hazards and heroism of one of the most dangerous jobs of all, firefighting. Now it's at Universal, and it's a masterwork of high-temperature terror.
The air ran out.
Check that door for heat, Tim. What is a backdraft? Well, the technical explanation is a fire that has burned out all the oxygen in a room, leaving only superheated gases, over 2,000 degrees, just waiting for a fresh breath of air. When the fire gets what it wants, you have a backdraft. And as the film's director, I knew that getting these shots would be very hazardous for the actors and the entire film crew. Action! This is how the scene looked in the theater.
Pull down that wall!
A lot of hard work for a very short amount of screen time. On the next stage, you'll see how a few of those spectacular effects were created.